All right guys, Tristan McCormick here at ICAST 2026, and yes, the talk of ICAST show, besides an urchin, has been the brand new Garmin Livescope, guys, the 42 HD and the 44. First of all, guys, these are available at SonarProsElectronics.com for pre-order. Now, let's dive into it, the deucer, that's what everybody wants to know. The 42 HD is gonna be your close quarters, like your crappie fishermen. You know, you're not gonna look out past 30, 40 feet. You're gonna get a really high definition return. And guys, it's gonna clear everything up. It's still the same exact settings, you know, your noise reject, your ghost reject, your TVG, color gain, all that's still the same. 42 HD for close quarters. Now let's bump over to the 44. This is where the bass fishing side is gonna come into play. The 44 is your long range. So I like to explain it like Champlain, St. Lawrence. You're making really long casts on those smallmouth that are high up in the water column, but you don't wanna get too close to them just because we all know how much pressure the bass fishing world's getting nowadays. The farther you can stay away from it with Livescope and cast on them, the better it's gonna be. So the 44 is gonna be definitely a big player there. You're gonna be able to bump that range out, cast as far as you wanna cast, and still get that high definition return, guys. So like I said, same settings on both of them. I'm very, very excited about this. And like I said, available for pre-order at SonarProsElectronics.com. I promise you, you're gonna wanna get your hands on these, and I saved the best for the last. There's no black box included on this. This plugs straight into the back of the unit. So very excited about this. Check out the brand new Garmin Livescope too.